Hello friends, some days back I was invited to Monte Cassino movies theater hall to watch Coming to America, which is the second part of Coming to America movie. After like so many years they have relaunched that movie, and what a movie. I really loved it. And then after coming home I watched the first part, which I have forgotten all this time. And when I was at the launch event, there was kind of a lucky draw, and my name was drawn in the first go, and I won this tomato goodie bag. So let's see what it has. And then I haven't opened it as yet, so let's see what the contents of this goodie bag. So the event was really nice, and all the COVID protocols was taken care of, and then we were served with biltong, popcorns, cold drink, water, and it was a very nice event. I really loved it. So let's see what it has, what I have got extra from all the other people who were part of the launch. I really love the bag. The bag quality is really nice. So let's see. So it's called tomato bag. So they said this whole backpack is worth 5,000 ZAR. So let's see if it's worth or no. So the first thing that we got is this tomato headphones. So this is in nice yellow color, which is my favorite. So it's wired headsets. So it says make some noise, and it comes with the carry bag, and the quality is nice. So I'll listen to them, and then maybe I'll gift it to someone, because I don't use wired earphones these days, though I'm using my Sennheiser and Beats wired earphones. So this will be a perfect gift for someone, teenager or someone who really loves the music. And yellow is my favorite color too. So let's see. So the second item is this small packet. So let's see what it has. It's a small tomato box. So, and it seems like some kind of earphones. Oh wow. So it has a foldable sunglasses, which are really nice. Even the side arm also folds into two, making it really small to carry in the back of your pocket or something like this, which is really this is really nice kind of thing. And then it's like inspires from it is really inspired from the Ray-Ban design. This is really nice, and it comes with the cloth. So moving on to the next item is this ladies watch, which is this. It's studded with small diamond items. Tomato watches are generally value for money. I had one. I had bought one in yellow color, and this comes with a leather strap. So this is really nice. So somebody from my family or friends in India is definitely going to get this one whenever I come there, because I have moved to digital watches. But the box is really nice. It's a perfect gift item, and it says complete your look. Very good. So the next watch is a gents watch. Let's see whether it completes our look or not. Wow, this is really nice. I always wanted a watch in like wooden frame kind of thing, and this one is really gives the look of if you can see, gives the look of this plywood thing. And then the strap is really really young. So this is going to be a really nice watch. So as you can see, the quality So this is really one of the guys in our family is definitely going to be very happy with this watch because of the design, and you know, it gives a really funky look, as well as, you know, wooden frames gives a different kind of look. So yeah, so now let's go to the bag, which is very good in itself. And for the first time in the bag I have seen there is a headphone jack similar to the one similar to the one with the charging port earlier, which I bought long ago. So this bag has a side pocket to keep your things, and then it has a magnetic hold, magnetic hold, and then inside you got several pockets. You can keep your laptop here, and then it comes with the 2 charging points, one for making your power bank, and then you can connect your phone outside, and then also you can connect your MP3 player from inside and just plug in these headphones. So the bag is really nice, and I didn't had a bag for so long, so this is going to be my day-to-day bag. And above pockets are also nice. It gives a lot of space, and then you have this quick pocket which is for pens and pencils. So I really like the quality of the bag. So I think it's going to last me for at least a year or so. And here you can put your glasses. So you can see the build quality of the bag is really nice, and it looks really nice, and the color is very nice. So thank you Tomato, thank you Monte Cassino for inviting me to the Coming to America movie. I really loved it, and you should also go and watch at Monte Cassino, movies at Monte Cassino. And if you are a rewards card holder, you will get some discount on the ticket prices as well. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.